This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious homemade fruit snacks. First, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of your favorite fruit puree, some unflavored gelatin, and a touch of sweetener like honey or maple syrup. These basic components are all you need to create a healthy and customizable treat right in your own kitchen. Let's get started. Now, let's prepare our mixture. Begin by blooming the gelatin in a small amount of cold water for about 5 minutes. This helps it dissolve smoothly. While that's happening, gently warm your fruit puree and sweetener over low heat until it's warm, but not boiling. Then, whisk in the bloomed gelatin until it's completely dissolved, ensuring a smooth, consistent base for your snacks. With your mixture ready, it's time to mold your fruit snacks. Carefully pour the warm liquid into silicone molds of your desired shape or into a shallow, parchment-lined dish for cutting later. Once filled, transfer the molds to the refrigerator. Allow them to chill for at least 2 hours or until they are completely firm and set. Patience here ensures perfect, bouncy snacks. Once your fruit snacks are perfectly firm, gently pop them out of their molds. If you used a dish, simply cut them into your preferred shapes. Store these delightful homemade treats in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They will stay fresh and delicious for up to 1 week. Enjoy these wholesome, customizable snacks anytime you crave a fruity bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.